Hey guys, I'm Slime Challenger, and today we are going to be doing the Blindfolded Slime Challenge. My mom is going to shuffle all of my ingredients, and I'm going to have to try to make a good slime blindfolded. So here are all the ingredients that my mom is going to be shuffling for me. We have our flown beads, our fruit slices, our Daiso clay, Elmer's color glues, my magical liquid, and my clear glue and white glue. I have my blindfold on, and now we are going to see if I can't see anything. My dad is going to be holding up a certain amount of fingers, and I'm going to see if I can guess it. And if I don't, I definitely can't see anything. Let's test it. I think you have 3 fingers up.
No.
All right, time for my mom to shuffle. So my mom has shuffled everything, and now it is up to me to make a wonderful slime. I'm gonna try to get to the table. Oh, it's here. Okay, that worked. The first thing I'm gonna try to get is my mixing bowl. I feel a glue. Ooh, I don't want to tip anything over, but I think I might have to stand up. Ooh, where is the thing? Oh! This is so strange. Oh, I feel something. A spoon. A mixing bowl. Oh, man. Wait, make sure I put this. This is scary. Okay, so I think this is in a good place, right? Right, guys? Thumbs up. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to get some glue. Oh, I want to put those bottles. Where is it? Where? Oh, is it here? Oh, I'm getting it. Oh. That was hard work. I think I want this bottle. Make sure my bowl is clear and I didn't tip anything into it. Okay. I don't know why, but I feel like the table is a wreck. Okay, I'm making sure I'm pouring into my bowl. This is the bowl. And done, right? I think I need to feel with the spoon. Okay, this is good. Oh shoot, where did I put the cap? Oh my god. It's here! Okay, so now that I got that, I'm going to move on to the next thing. I'm going to try to find a color glue. Did I tip anything over? I think I did. This is my activator. I'm going to keep that near me. Ooh, reaching. Reaching. This is a color glue. This is Daiso, I know. Ooh. Oh, another one. You know what? I'm just gonna pick this one because I don't want to find any other color glues right now. And this is my bowl. Okay. We're just gonna put a bit of this in. I think that's all. I don't care if I put nothing in. Maybe I put the entire bottle. Who really knows? So I think I'm going to try to find some flown beads. I think I like this one. Oh, the sound. Oh, the sound is so cool. There's like sticky glue on my... So now, I'm going to get my spoon. Where did I put my spoon? I swear I put it somewhere. Where's my spoon? This is my bowl. Did someone move my spoon? Is it in here? It's in here! Now I'm mixing. I hope it looks pretty. I feel like I poured white foam in here, but I really don't know. Here's the activator bottle. Smells like activator. Ooh. Woo! I think that's probably good. Oh, dang it. Ooh! It feels nice. It feels weird, but it feels very liquidy and gluey. You know what? I'm ditching you, spoon. I'm sorry, but I'm not going to use you. Ooh! I feel like slime. It feels like slime. Oh, that was a lot, I guess. Oh, it's already coming together. I think I poured in a lot, so I think now it's slime. Oh my god, did I make like a humongous slime? Because I can't get everything out. I think I made a super big slime. I hope it turns out super nice. Whoa! This is awesome. Oh, it feels so cool. I really think this is like a really big slime. Can you guys see this? I know I can't, but... Oh geez, no, my hands are all covered in this. But that's okay. Trying to get everything off mine. That's good for now. Ooh, it feels so cool. Feels like a big ball of jelly that I'm just mixing and mixing until it becomes into an even bigger ball of jelly that I can play with. Ooh, it feels so slippery. Ooh, this is amazing. Ooh, I think a part is dripping, is it? Feel something on my hand. I almost want to take my blindfold off, but I can't. Did I drop like a big piece of slime somewhere? I did, it was right here. Okay. I feel like it's all the way activated. Oh my god, this is gonna be hard finding this cap. Oh my god, I don't want to spill that. Okay, I feel like I left the cap. Ooh, I left the cap there. That was a lucky find. We'll move it over there. I feel like there's still some more activator in here. This is a big slime. Holy moly. Ooh. He's a big boy. Ugh. It's heavy. I guess I poured in a lot. I did not need to pour in this much, but I'm happy it's coming together nicely. There was one colored glue that I really wanted to get. It was the yellow one, and I really hope that I got that, but I'm feeling like I got the blue for some reason. I feel like I always get blue. It's like a jiggly slime, but like I didn't even use any water in it, but it's so jiggly. So I have this right here. Where's the spoon? Okay, I think my mat is fully clear. I think I'm gonna try to go for some Daiso because I want to make some butter slime. I feel like this one's, oh, here's some Daiso. I'm just gonna go with this one. I really hope it's white. Okay. I'm taking this stuff out of my hands because the only way to open a package is with both hands, at least for me. Ooh, my Daiso opened, and now I'm gonna take some out. I'm only gonna take this much because if it is a color, I don't want it to totally like color the slime. Okay, so It always feels so cool to poke into your slime. Ooh, it's so neat. So I'm just gonna try to mix in all of the little bits of Daiso. Get it all mixed in there. Mixed in, mixing. Okay, so I think I mixed in all of the Daiso and I am officially done with this slime. So my dad took my blindfold off and now it is time to see how my slime turned out. Let's look. It is so pretty! This is amazing! I love this slime! I thought it was going to be like a gross brown color, but it's like this pretty, like bluish, minty. This is awesome! Oh my god, this slime is like... I use this! Oh! This is awesome! And I got the white Daiso. I really wanted that yellow the yellow color glue. But I love this slime so much. Oh my god, I'm so happy this challenge worked out so well. That challenge was amazing. I'm so happy I did it. But it is the end of today's video. So if you liked it, please subscribe and turn on notifications. Also, click that thumbs up and watch my next video. Bye!